Are you familiar with these programming centers? These steamboats that come, pick up a few hundred people and play this music to them. What kind of hypnotic trance is this? What kind of
Must be some kind of satanic worship group.
Yeah, they're going off to worship some deities, some symbols. They're going to go off in the woods and start some fires, and they're going to put their point of attention on sending their energy to the to Saturn.
Yeah, probably. Or, well, I think it's a bunch of old people that really don't have anything better to do than go on this cruise ship and, you know, have the captain, you know, act as a tour guide for all
the people came from these tour buses right here. They showed up out of nowhere, and all of a sudden this weird hypnotic music started. Do 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 do, and then it was just like, yes, yes, over here. Well, it's certainly a beautiful boat. House of Horrors. But yeah, it definitely looks like a nice experience, you know, throw it back to the old world. Do 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 do. It's a little boardwalk right there.